number 2.3 and question is arranged in ascending and descending order. Let's take an example. 1 over 6, comma 3 over 4, comma 1 over 2. For arranging in ascending and descending order, the steps are same. So first of all, we have to write your question again with the equality sign. Then you need to see your LCM and the denominator. If the LCM are not same, you need to find the common LCM in the rough work. Started with 2, 2 3 times 6, 2 times 2, 4, 2 1 times 2. Then again 2, 3 is not possible, 2 1 times 2 and 1. Now come with 3, 3 1 times 3, 1 times 3 and 3 1 times. It means 2 times 2, 4, 4 3 times 12. So common LCM is 12. Now take your first value. 6 multiply which number? 6 2 times 12. Now the LCM is 12. You need to multiply in the numerator also. 2 1 times 2, 2 6 times 12. Take your second value. 4 times 3. 4 times 3 is 12. Multiply in the numerator. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 3 times 12. Take your last value 1 over 2. 2 multiply by 6. It will become 12. 2 times 6 is 12. Multiply in the numerator. 6 1 times 6. 6 2 times 12. Now take your all three new values with the equality sign. 2 over 12, comma 9 over 12, comma 6 over 12. The question is arranged in ascending order. Ascending order means go from small to big. Ascending order means small to big. It means you need to arrange your values. LCM are same. So see the numerators. So first of all 2 over 12, then 6 over 12 and then 9 over 12. Ascending order means go from small to big and put the sign of less, because 2 is less than 6 and 6 is less than 9. For ascending order, we always put the sign of less than. Now write down the original value under these values. 2 over 12, 1 over 6, same sign. 6 over 12, 6 over 12, 1 over 2. Then 9 over 12 original value is 3 over 4. Draw the ending line. Now I am solving the next question. 1 over 2, 1 over 3, 1 over 4. First step is to write the question again. Now see the LCM. LCM are not same. Find the common LCM in the rough work. 2 1 times 2, 3 is not possible. 2 times 2, 4. 2 1 times 3 is not possible. 2 1 times 2. Now 3 1 times 3, 3 1 times 3 and 3 1 times 3. Now 2 times 2, 4, 4 3 times 12. LCM is 12. Take your first value 1 over 2. 2, always see the LCM, denominator, not the numerator. 2 times 6. 2 times 6 is 12. Multiply in the numerator. 6 1 times 6, 6 2 times 12. Take your second value 1 over 3. 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. So multiply in the numerator. 4 1 times 4, 4 3 times 12. Take your last value 1 over 4 equals 1 over 4. 4 times 3 is 12. Multiply in the numerator. 3 1 times 3, 4 3 times 12. Write your new values with the equality sign. 6 over 12, 4 over 12 and 3 over 12. Now the question is arrange your values in descending order. descending order. Descending order means go from big to small. Big to small. So bigger value is 6. It's already in descending order. These values are already in descending order. You will not compare the denominators. You will need to compare the numerators. So big to small. Bigger value is 6 over 12, 4 over 12, 3 over 12. And put the sign of greater. Descending order, greater sign. So 6 is greater than 4 and 4 is greater than 3. Write down the original values. Under these values, 6 over 12, 1 over 2, greater sign, 1 over 3, 3 over 12, original value is 1 over 4. Draw the ending line. Now I am solving another question for more explanation. So the next question is 1 over 2 comma 3 over 2 over 3 and 8 over 9. First of all, write your question again with the equality sign. See, LCM are not same. Take the common LCM. 2, 3, 9. 2 1 times 2, 3 not possible, 9 not possible. Now 3 1 times 3, 3 1 times 3, 3 times 3, 9. 3 1 times 3, 3 1 times 3 and 3 1 times 3. 2 3 times 6, 6 3 times 18. LCM is 18. Take your first value. 2 times 9 is 18. Multiply by 9. 9 1 times 9 and 2 9 9 is 18. Take your second value. 2 over 3. 3 times 6 is 18. So multiply in the numerator. 2 6 times 12, 3 6 times 18. Take your last value 8 over 9 equals 8 over 9. 9 times 2 is 18. Multiply in the numerator. 8 2 times 16 and 9 2 times 18. Take all your new values 9 over 18 comma 12 over 18 comma 16 over 18. If the question is arranged in ascending order means go from small to big and less than sign. So first of all you need to write the smaller value. Smaller value is 9 over 18 less than 12 over 18 and less than 16 over 18. And if the question is arranged in descending order means go from big to small, greater sign. So see your values. The bigger value is 16 over 18, then greater sign 12 over 18 and greater sign for 9 over 18. So these are ascending order and these are for descending order. And write the original values under these numbers and draw the ending line. Thank you.